The prefix sub means under or below. It is used at the beginning of many English words. This prefix helps you understand that something is beneath or under something else. Sub means under or below. It shows something is positioned beneath the surface, lower in rank, or less in amount. Understanding this meaning will help you with many words formed using sub. The word subway means a train that travels under the city streets. The word submarine means a boat that travels under the ocean water. These words show the prefix sub used to mean beneath or beneath the surface. A subtitle is text shown under a video image. It lets people read the spoken words or translation. The prefix sub tells us the text is placed below the main image. The word subject means a topic under discussion or study. Subscribe means to sign under a document or to agree to receive a service. Both words use sub to mean under or below in different ways. Subtract means to take something under or away from a total amount. Substandard means below the normal quality level. The prefix sub helps show these meanings of less or below. Other words that use sub include submit, subdivide, and subconscious. Submit means to yield under authority. Subdivide means to divide under a larger group. Subconscious means under the level of conscious thought. Now you know many English words with the prefix sub. It means under or below. You have learned words like subway, submarine, subtitle, subject, subscribe, subtract, and substandard. Keep practicing these to master the prefix sub.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.